So I'll have a cup of coffee and then we'll get back to it. Got my 1 Squadron Cup, 1 Squadron Royal Australian Air Force F111s. This Cup is about 1986. I'm doing maintenance today. I've got my little table set up, got a cup of coffee. We're changing out the batteries on the sensors on our TPMS, that's Tyre Pressure Management System. We've been running a TPMS on both the truck and the caravan since we've been in Australia, but we initially bought this product due to online reviews and some cautionary tales about monitoring your travel trailer, your caravans, tyre pressures. We bought this system. Leanne's going to put some details in there, but we've done a truckload of miles. So we've got the manual. The reason why we're changing this is we've had it 2 years. The sensors work fine. I really can't fault this product, and indeed it saved us on the where was it, Bubba?
The I-40.
I-40, driving along, beep, beep, beep. What's that? Have a look at the TPMS, and that lets you know that you've got like lots of air coming out. Pulled off and managed to do a interstate side tyre change, which was a bit intimidating, and I can't recommend it. So I'm changing the batteries out. I just figure it's timely. They take little 1632s, pretty basic. I've kept the little wrench that goes on the back of the sensor. Now I've lost a couple of the weatherproof caps. I don't know if it's me or someone's decided that they'll try and 5-finger discount me. It's just a matter of using the wrench on the little hex nut at the back. Use your fingers to take off the top cap. They have O-rings in there, so I'm going to check to see if the O-ring needs replacing. If it does, I'll replace it. If it doesn't, I'll just clean it and use a proprietary brand lubricant. And I've got a Sharpie pen because we've got them numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on the trailer. When you take them all off to do something like let your tyres down when you're going off-road, I'll mess them all up, and then yeah, it's just easier if you keep track of where they're going, and that's just how I do it. Right, so we're going to change the O-rings out. So you just hang on to the little hex nut. There you go, that's nice and smooth. Let's have a look as per the description, and there you go. So the little battery goes in there, so let's see how it comes out. Okay, so give that a poke with a handy dandy how you going. Right, so let's take the new battery, slide that in. I'll just inspect the O-ring seal, that looks fine. Grab the handy dandy wrench that comes with it. Just cinch that up, and that's basically it. So that's the new battery and that sensor. It's the anti-theft cap. So this goes on the valve stem. That just screws on, and then the anti-theft cap goes on. That'll be on your valve stem, and this little tool just sits in over, and you can just squitch it up. Just give it a nib up, not over tighten it on your valve stem, of course. You know, that's not a good thing. I'll just repeat that process, and that'll be the battery replacement on the Easy RV Products E518 system. We lost some caps on the road, as I mentioned before. We ordered them, they got shipped to a friend in 2 days, and then he put them in the post and he got them to Australia within 8 days. They're currently waiting for us to do a loop around, we'll pick them up, and I think that's pretty good service. It's outside now, and I've got the monitor plugged in. That's just recharging the batteries, and they go for quite a while.
If you like our movies, please subscribe, like and share with your family and friends. We hope that one day our travels will encourage someone, somewhere, to take a step, to do something that they've always wanted to do. Until next time, take care.